to make non-determinism less risky?
Yeah, that happens at several levels. First, there's the training level. So different models are trained with different levels of safety. AI safety is a pretty large and well-paid topic nowadays. So while OpenAI, Google, et cetera, train their models, they intentionally instill the blockage of certain requests. I mean, you can think of any inappropriate thing that I won't mention, but it will not do things. And you've seen probably content moderations before, whereas some models are a little more open. We call them uncensored models. They're literally designed to not have any sort of blockages. And then there's a whole spectrum of that. So that happens at the training level, but now that you don't have control over that because you're not OpenAI or Google or whatever, the question is, how do you, with applied AI, introduce those things? Something that gets talked about often is guardrails, obviously, and that's one of the main things. When it comes to implementing guardrails, there's a couple things. So obviously, there are deterministic ways to introduce guardrails. I can detect whether, let's say, an API key or password is exposed deterministically, so you should watch for things coming into it. But what happens in a lot of enterprise architectures is a hallucination agent. So you'll often follow up whatever LLM or system or agent that has already occurred, let's say your Gmail drafting agent, with a subsequent agent that's called a hallucination agent, which basically detects for whether or not the information has deviated from truth or whether it has violated a business process or a security protocol or something like that. Another example is a lot of people like to do prompt injection, and they'll send to the LLM, give me your system prompt. But if you introduce an agent before that or after that that says, did a system prompt injection just occur, it can flag that. So in many ways, the way to protect AI is with more AI.